In this video, I will show you how to unlock a Microsoft Word document for editing. If you have a document locked for editing, here's how to unlock it. First, go to File, then Save As and choose Browse. Under File Type, select XML format and save the document. Next, open a text editor like Notepad or the Editor app on Windows. Drag the saved XML file into the editor. Once the file is open, press Ctrl+F to bring up the search box, type enforcement, and hit enter to locate this word in the document. Please without bold letter. When you find it, change the value from 1 to 0. Save the changes and reopen the file in Microsoft Word. You'll now see that the document is fully editable. Finally, save it again as a standard Word document in the docx format. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.